Hi guys, I wanted to make a video showing you why your DVWA does not work, although you followed the video. Now for me, okay, I went through the video, and when it came to the point that I got this error that he shows, then you have to go to your file where that is located, that config file. This file right here, and it is in your HDocs. So let's see, it's in your C drive HDocs. It's the HT docs, and this is the config file that you renamed. I don't even know why that's there, but anyway. Open with Notepad. Okay. Now you scroll down where he told you to not put a password for the password, but he did not tell you to change the DVMA to root. You have to change, and I'm not sure, I changed both of them, but when I did that, it worked. So if you follow it to a T and it doesn't work, try changing your database and user to root and see if it works. When I did it, it worked. I saved it and I restarted Apache and MySQL, and I was on it and it worked for me. So thanks for watching, and I hope it works for you. Bye.